China has informed its slowest quarter increase bet with the world finance meltdown. The increase drawing for the July to September block was 6.5% of a year over, the domestic Office of Statistic told. The outcome bring down brief of Reuters analysis forecasts of 6.6%. Policymakers include excited to supporting the cool economics in latter months. China many faces growing economical challenges consisting top obligation levels and an increasing trading fight in the U.S. The effect of the trading controversy in the U.S. is anticipated to wait on increase figures in the upcoming months. Friday's increase drawing was the slowest quarter extension with the at first block of 2009, the altitude of the world finance meltdown. The outcome was as well a fall of the 6.7% bet in the preliminary block, but remnant in link in the by the government's complete year goal of on 6.5%. Time China Watchers Council cautious in Beijing's formal GDP numbers, the information is seen as a helpful index on the nation's increase path. Analyze, Karishma Vaswani, Asia industry reporter. As one China watcher said me, for a latter travel to Beijing, the nation was not waiting to struggle a trading war at a period how it was as well hard to supervise system risks in the economics. They don't include a lot of options on the spreadsheet. The nation is saddled in emergency levels of obligation, so policymakers are unwilling to get measures to encourage the economics the way they did following 2008. It tool how Beijing is fight a war on two fronts, out of all of the horse at its removal. And he's fight an more unexpected and flying foe, in the shape of an violent U.S. authority. No of that bodes so for China's economical worldview. For year China has spurred to disaccustom off supply and trust more than on national intake for increase. At the identical period, the by the government has been fight to include balloon obligation, managed by a wavelength of infrastructure facilities growth, and a habitation bladder out of suffering increase. Equity Economy China political economist Julian Evans Pritchard told in a study mention the newest information showed several previous politics supporting is start to profit thrust, but added more than weakening will yet be necessary in procedure to stabilize increase. Some information liberated Friday showed planned exit increase in September skipped consumer expectations. Time retailer turnover for the monthly came in lightly over forecasts. Near its national challenges, China is as well anticipated to sense the dash of a trading controversy in the U.S. in the month's front. The tertiary quarter figures are the at first to be liberated by Beijing, with U.S. CEO Donald Trump card hit China in two sets of tariff, targeting $250 BN, pound 192 BN, cost of China consumer goods.